Hi everyone. It's been a while since we've made a video about installing BTT-Writer on Windows, and a few things have changed, and the other video included some details that are either not all that necessary or maybe have been changed. So here's a new video on how to install BTT-Writer on Windows. First, of course, you have to download the installer, which I've done here. And so in order to install it, I'm going to double click on it. When I do that, of course, Windows is going to ask me if I want to allow the unknown publishers app to make changes. I know where I downloaded this from. I'm confident, so I'm going to say yes. You can choose a language. This is just the language used during the installation. It's not actually the language used by BTT-Writer, so it doesn't really matter which one you choose there, but pick one that you understand if you're likely to click on the wrong thing. Okay, we have a little setup wizard here. We just click next a lot. We need to accept the agreement. Next. Location, usually you don't want to change this. If you know why you would want to change it, you can go ahead and do that. Next. Creating a desktop icon is usually a pretty good idea. It helps to find it. On the other hand, if this is something you don't want people seeing on your desktop, don't create a desktop icon. There will be an icon created in the Start menu. So all set. I'm going to click Install. It doesn't take terribly long to extract all of these files. On the other hand, it's not terribly fast either. Okay, so BTT-Writer is installed, and now you'll see that it rolls right over into installing something called Git. This is a program that BTT-Writer uses in the background, and it's something that's absolutely necessary. Now, you could install Git separately. You don't have to use the version that's included with BTT-Writer, but on Windows we do include this installer to install it for you, and so you don't have to make that extra step. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I can click Finish here. Now, if you have not had BTT-Writer on your computer before, and more especially if you have not had Git on your computer before, you will probably need to restart your computer here before you can run BTT-Writer. I actually had to uninstall BTT-Writer in order to do this video, so I had Git on my computer right before I did this video, And so my computer still thinks it knows where it is, so I should be able to just double click on the icon here. Another thing that might happen if you're installing over an old version of BTT-Writer is it may take a little while during this step of the first launch, updating the projects. Sometimes there are some minor changes in the project format, and so the migrating project step can take a while. And there we are. BTT-Writer is installed. One more quality of life thing that I do is I come down here to the BTT-Writer icon, click the right mouse button, and choose Pin to Taskbar. And by doing that, now when I quit BTT-Writer, I always have an icon down here that I can use to start it. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact us on Telegram. The links for that are at techadvancement.com. You can also send an email to helpdesk@techadvancement.com, and we'll get right back to you with any answers that you need. You can also feel free to comment in the comments here on YouTube, but we don't keep as close an eye on those as on the other two channels. Anyway, have a blessed day.